Hello, welcome to Recipes Around the World. I'm Ben, and today I'm very excited because I'm here with my daughter Akira, and we're going to be making a healthy smoothie. The drink we're going to be making today is a pineapple green spinach smoothie. Okay, very healthy smoothie, very tasty, full of vitamins and minerals to help your immune system. So I'm really excited because my little helper over here is going to help me make this drink, and we're going to enjoy it and learn a few things about nutrients as well. Okay?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
Let's do this. Okay, so Akira, we have to go over the ingredients first, okay? And get to know some of these ingredients, okay? So the first ingredient we're going to be using for this is unsweetened almond milk, okay? So almond milk has vitamin E, right? And vitamin E is an antioxidant. You know what that means? So it's good for fighting things called radicals. It's also good for your immune system. Anything bad that can be in your system, this can help fight off. That's just a very simple explanation for it. It also helps fight off infections, and it's also very good for your skin, okay? Yeah, it's very good for your skin. So that's your unsweetened almond milk we're going to use. We're going to use Greek yogurt. So here we have some Greek yogurt here, right? So this has protein, lots of protein in it, right?
That's protein.
So protein is another nutrient that your body uses to build muscle. It can build your bones. It's also a good source of energy. So if you're going to work out or run or whatever, protein is good for that, okay? So what else? So we're going to use baby spinach. We have baby spinach here, right? We're going to use about 1 cupful of baby spinach. Always wash this before you put it in. Any vegetables you use, you have to wash them first. So 1 cup of baby spinach. Baby spinach has a lot of minerals and potassium and nitrates and vitamin A, which is good for your heart, right? So to fight against heart disease and things like that. It's also good for your vision, for your eyesight, right? So when you eat vegetables like spinach, it's good for your vision to help you see properly, okay? And so your eyes don't deteriorate as fast. What else? So we're going to use pineapple. I'm going to cut this up. We're going to use pineapple chunks, okay? You know what pineapple chunks is good for you for? You know what it does for you?
What does it do?
Pineapple chunks have a lot of nutrients. They're very good for helping you fight off cancer, right? So yeah, pineapple chunks are good they can help your body, your immune system, okay? They also have a lot of antioxidants in them. We're going to use 1 banana, right? So we're going to cut one of these guys up. You know what bananas are good for, Akira?
What are bananas?
And watch your hands, please. There's a knife here, so be very careful. Okay, so bananas are good for, they have a lot of nutrients. Bananas have protein, they have vitamin B, vitamin C, and so on. And they have a lot of antioxidants, which can also help prevent heart disease, okay? So that's what bananas are good for. They're very, very nutritious. Yeah. And then we're using chia seeds we have here, right? We're gonna use 1 tablespoonful of chia seeds, okay?
It's so tiny. It feels soft, like dough.
Okay, watch your hands, okay? Whenever you see a knife, don't put your hands around knives. So chia seeds are good for, they have a lot of minerals in them, but they also have this thing called omega 3 fatty acids, which is good for helping your heart to fight against heart disease, okay? So these are all very healthy ingredients we're gonna use, okay, to make our smoothie, okay? So, do you have any questions so far? You sure?
What will the color look like?
It's supposed to be green. So if we do what we're supposed to do, it should turn out green, all right?
Okay.
Okay? So you're gonna be my helper today. I'm gonna hand you the ingredients. You're gonna put them in this blender over here, okay? Just put this down here. And we're gonna add all the ingredients, and then we'll blend. We'll pour ourselves each a glass, have a taste, and have all these nutrients in our body, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna start off because we're making a smoothie. I want you to put some ice. You have the ice scooper here. Yeah. So scoop some ice. Use both your hands. Use one hand to hold down the thing so it doesn't move. Scoop some ice and put it in the blender. Okay? Let me break it up for you just in case. Okay, scoop some ice. Put it in the blender. And then while you're doing that, I'm going to wash some of this spinach. You got it? You got it? You strong enough? Here, let me help you up. See? So, just like that. Okay? Use both your hands so you don't drop, so it doesn't fall. And there, that's one. Put a little bit more. There you go. Boom, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna wash some of these spinach, about a cupful of spinach. Okay, just gonna wash, give it a little rinse over here. And we don't need to chop the spinach up because it's gonna be blended anyway. Okay, put that in there. Okay, so when I use the ingredients, I'm just gonna put them to the side, okay? How much of a chia seeds did we say? Do you remember?
Tablespoon.
1 tablespoon, yeah, so here. Okay, use both your hands, okay? Use both your hands so you don't make a mess, okay? Use one hand under like so. Okay, there. And hold it properly, okay? Boom, that's good. All right, put this to the side. What else are we using, Akira? Greek yogurt, right? So we're going to use about a cupful. Okay? So you can scoop, this is about a cupful, so just scoop this in there. Yeah, use the tablespoon and scoop this inside the blender. Use both your hands, please. Scoop it into the blender. Don't be scared, doesn't bite. Yes, most of it. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, put that to the side. Not yet, we're still cooking, it's okay. All right. Here, you can wipe your hands with this and give that back to me. So we're just going to cut one banana. Okay. Let's put this to the side. So, like so. Okay, put this in the blender, please. I'll take that from you. Put the bananas in. When you cook food, it's okay to have food in your hands, okay? So put that all in there, yes. Okay, let's cut this pineapple up when you finish with that. Good job, Akira. That's okay, that's all right. Okay, so when you cut a pineapple, move back, there's a knife. You always cut the top first. Like so. Okay. Okay.
That smells good.
Yeah, it's a sweet, fresh pineapple. Okay, I wanted to make this drink from scratch. Okay, so we're going to do it in 4 quarters. Okay. Okay, so we don't need all this. Put this to the side.
We'll use that for another one?
We'll use it for another drink. Good job. Okay. So we just need about a cupful, right?
Okay. What does a cupful look like?
You think about a cup, like about the size of, a little smaller than that, and whatever fits, the chunks fit in there. That's good. Okay, so you're gonna do the next bit, okay? So the banana and the pineapple is gonna give the smoothie what do you call it? Some sweetness, okay? So it's not completely bitter.
Okay.
Okay, so put that in there. Put this to the side. Come on, put them in.
Do people eat pineapples?
Do people eat pineapples? Yes, people. You eat pineapples.
I eat pineapples.
Yeah, you've had pineapples all the time.
When?
You eat pineapples all the time. You eat them with, I'm pretty sure you've had pineapples in this house, Akira. Okay, put this in there. You want to taste some more pineapple, or you think that's enough? It's 1 cup full, but you can add as much. I like pineapples, so I'm tempted to add a bit more.
Okay.
Okay, just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so put this to the side. And then we're gonna finish with 1 cup of almond milk. So
Fill it.
you can use both your hands, please. Okay. So that's good right there. Ooh. We're gonna blend all of that. Yeah, yeah.
Can I wash my hands?
Sure. You can wash your hands. Okay, just come, rinse your hands. I'm gonna rinse mine too. Okay, so we put our ingredients in there. Here, you can use my shoulder cloth to wipe that down. We're gonna blend this now. I'm gonna put my chopping board in the sink over here. I'll take that back from you. Okay, so let's move this front and center so our friends online can see. And
It's green.
it is green, yeah, yeah. It's like a nice light green, right? You wanna taste this? Okay, so let's pour. It's like a nice light green. So I'll pour 1 glass for you. Ooh, look at that. And I'll pour 1 glass for me. Okay, we have to do a cheers before we drink. Okay, so Akira, this is our first healthy smoothie video. I'm very happy and proud of you. I'm happy you joined me for this. Let's drink it. This is a very healthy drink, okay? Cheers. I like it.
I taste most of the banana.
I do too. It's pretty good, right? It's a good way to start your day. So anyways, guys, thank you for joining me and Akira for this video. Say bye-bye to our friends. I'll post the recipe ingredients for this as I make the statement, also below the description. Please subscribe to this channel. We'll be making more healthy smoothies for you guys to enjoy. Definitely check this out, very healthy smoothie, and we'll see you around for the next video, okay? Take care and cheers.
Bye-bye.